because your presence is very valuable to us. And here we go. I, Dr. Anuradha Tote, and a motivational speaker, a life coach, and an ophthalmologist, welcome you all for the valedictory function. At the outset, let me pay my homage to all the doctors who have sacrificed their lives for this COVID-19 pandemic. Yes, we are on the verge of winding up this historic virtual marathon. The ephemeral joys have to come to an end. Yes, as the day comes to an end, but it is followed by a beautiful night full of moon and stars. This conference is also coming to an end. But what will follow is the trail of memories which will linger on and on. I think you all will agree with me on this point. Well, a cartload of thanks to respected Dr. Avinash Bhondwe sir, IMA Maharashtra President, Dr. Pankaj Bhandarkar sir, IMA Maharashtra Secretary, Dr. Dinesh Thakre sir, IMA Maharashtra Vice President and Convener ECON, and the National Chairperson WDW, Mona Desai ma'am. I hope I'm audible. Please show me the thumb. I'm audible. Okay, thank you. Yes, so we thank all these people for reposing their faith in us and giving us this wonderful opportunity for hosting this conference. And we acknowledge the presence and the timely help given to us, extended to us rather, by our President IMA Amravati, Dr. Rohankar sir, and Secretary, Dr. Sabu sir, and WDW Chairperson Amravati, Dr. Sarita Kadu ma'am, and Secretary, Dr. Jyoti Agrawal ma'am. From the bottom of our hearts, we are grateful to all the speakers who were a treasure trove of wisdom. Each and every speaker was a great one in her own field. Guest of honor, Cabinet Minister Maharashtra and Guardian Minister Amravati, Yashomata Matitai Thakur, who guided us on women empowerment. Guest of honor and Commissioner of Police, Dr. Aarti Singh, who gave us so wonderful tips on women's safety and cyber crime. Guest of honor and Member of Parliament, Navneet Rana, a beauty with brains, who gave us the message that be a student throughout life and believe in yourself. Dr. Madhubala Chinsorkar ma'am, who took us, who gave us a mesmerizing experience of Antarctica. The dancing auroras, the glistening white snow, and the thrilling experience at Maitri Research Station. I bow down to your valor and zeal, ma'am. Raj Yogini Brahma Kumari Usha Didi, who took us for a virtual ride and gave us the insight of how to let go the ego. Dr. Archana Pate ma'am, who spoke on the hot topic of COVID-19 and the way she demystified the enigma was remarkable. Dr. Nitin Bhagli sir, who has made us financially wise, and he has taught us how to multiply our money. Thank you so much, sir. Dr. Anuradha Ridhorkar ma'am, a powerful speaker, and the way she's portrayed the pains and agonies and the challenges of a woman, hats off to you, ma'am. I salute you, ma'am. And of course, now we have heard Dr. Shilpa Patrikar ma'am, who told us about beauty tips. And who doesn't want to be beautiful? Each and every woman wants to be beautiful. And with your tips, ma'am, we all will become ageless beauties, I suppose. So I guess it was a knowledge and wisdom feast for all the viewers. We hope you all enjoyed the conference, and please forgive us for all the lacunas on our side. May I now request the charming organizing chairperson, the woman, the lady behind the conference, Dr. Jagrati Shah ma'am, for her concluding remarks.
Thank you, Anuradha. Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. Good evening to one and all. Heading towards the last part of the day, I want to thank each one of you. It was a wonderful experience, amazing experience arranging this conference in COVID time on digital platform. A new experience. My heartfelt thanks to IMA Maharashtra President Dr. Avinashji Bhondwe sir, Honorable Secretary Dr. Pankaj Bhandarkar sir, IMA President Dr. Anil Rohankar sir, on IMA Secretary Dr. Ashish Sabu sir, and Vice President and Convener of IVCON 2020, Dr. Dinesh Thakre, Dr. Mona Desai, who is the National Chairperson of Women Doctors Wing, and Dr. Ashish Sabu, and my two wonderful, amazing secretaries, organizing secretaries, Dr. Shruti Khandelwal and Dr. Surita Dafde. On behalf of each one of us, a big thank you to yesterday's guest of honor, Guardian Minister and Cabinet Minister, Advocate Yashomati Tai Thakur, Commissioner of Police, Dr. Aarti Singh, for her valuable guidance and inputs and addressing us. At the same time, I am honored and thankful to yesterday's all guest speakers and chairpersons and the persons who introduced them, as well as today's guest of honor, Srimati Navneet Rana, Member of Parliament, and all today's speakers, chairpersons, everyone. A big thanks goes to you all. Sincere thanks to all esteemed speakers. We could not have succeeded without the help and support of Dr. Pratik Agrawal. Pratik, please come forward. Everyone see this person. He is Dr. Pratik Agrawal, and he has done amazing job for us. I take this opportunity to thank my husband, Dr. Bharat Shah, and my children, Priyank and Dr. Apurvi, and to my daughter-in-law, Meenu, for their support throughout the period of conference preparations, as well as both Shruti and Surita at the same time. They are also thanking their children and their husbands and family. Last but not the least, I'm thankful to all the staff of my hospital, Arihant Hospital, which is the venue for this conference. I will always cherish the memories of IVCON Amravati 2020, held on digital platform for the first time in history of Women Doctors Wing. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra, Jai IMA, long live IMA. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so
Over
much.
to Anuradha.
Thank you so much, Jagruti ma'am. I would request all of you to give a thundering applause for this Iron Lady. Thank you so much. She deserves it. She deserves it. Well, I now request the two strongest pillars who have helped Jagruti ma'am, the organizing chairperson, the very beautiful two ladies with her, Dr. Surita Dafle ma'am and Dr. Shruti Khandelwal ma'am, to propose the vote of thanks.
Dear fellow doctors, parting is always difficult, even though it is on virtual platform. Last 2 days were full of knowledge and wisdom. I would like to express my gratitude towards IMA Amravati, WDW MS Chairperson Dr. Jagruti Shah, WDW Amravati State Amravati President Dr. Sangeeta Kadu for making me a part of this digital conference. I take this opportunity to thank my spouse, Dr. Ajay Dafle, and my family for their cooperation and support. And last but not the least, all the viewers and all the doctors participating in this conference. Any shortcomings, if any, they are ours. I thank you all. Thank you.
Yes, over to you, Shruti ma'am.
Yeah. Knowledge is nothing but the facts known by a person, whereas wisdom is the combination of knowledge and experience. And these 2 days, I would say, were words of wisdom by all our guest speakers with their experience in respective fields. I thank each one of them. In teamwork, you achieve more than you do individually. Certain work is best done with a team. Today, we all have come together, and with help of each other, we have marked a successful event. Thanks everyone for making this EveCon 2020 Amravati a great, successful event. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Shruti. Thank you so much. And a huge round of applause to the two beautiful organizing secretaries, Dr. Surita Dafle ma'am and Dr. Shruti Khandelwal. Well, and this one is for you, dear audience. For being a lovely audience, I would like to say, कुबेर तो नहीं हूं, लेकिन ख्याल कुछ ऐसा है कि अगर रेत का हर जर्रा अगर नायाब हीरा हो, तो तोहफे में तुम्हें सारा रेगिस्तान दे दूं. Thank you so much for being a lovely